Hello, it's me again, Alif. I'm in Malaysia. It's not so good at all. At United States, they have boomerang, right? This Malaysia doesn't have boomerang. Only have the imported one. I'm so boring right now, so I just want to show you my lighter collection. It's just three of them. One of them is cricket. You may wanna pause just right now to see this. You see the penyalaan, right? It's A. It's mean 2000 lights. It's nylon body. Not good. Not bad. Just a normal one. This one, I have run out of gas. No more. And this one also run out of gas. No more. Just left this. That's all for today. One more thing, I'm in Malaysia. If you see at the map of the world, Malaysia is like a heart. No, what did they call that thing that doop in your body? What they call? Maybe heart. Yes. I'm not good. I'm not very good in English. So this is my room, just a tiny of them, and that is called songkok, and that is called sejadah. So you see, you know Milo, right? That's my name, Alif. Just right there. Such a room. Maybe that's all for today. I'm gonna need to find my boomerangs. Okay, bye.